even the restaurant, and I'm like, oh man, this looks like a pretty nice little pullback on gold. So I take 1 micro on gold. I'm like, yeah, 1 micro, that seems reasonable. And I'm down like $80 like instantly, and I was like, oh wow, okay. So I walk into the car. Keep in mind, the car's like 50 feet from the door. I buy 2 more. I'm like, I'll just average down, get out of this thing. Get in the car, put my phone in the phone mount, and watch it go minus 100, 500, 700 liquidated. I was like, what? I mean, I'm talking 3-4 seconds max. It was gone. I was like, what happened? And I pull up, I look at Weeble, and yeah, it's a 30-point wick. 30-point wick. Just straight down. Boom. I was like, wow. Okay.
Day morning on gold. I was in 2 minis. 2 minis.
2 minis?
Yeah, 2 minis.
Oof.
I was up right before open. I was up $500 right before open. I was like, hey, you know what? This looks like it's a good spot. It's going to bounce because I bounced off of a fucking 4-hour trend line. I was like, fuck yeah, I got this. Up $500. It was bouncing great. All of a sudden, open happened. That son bitch fell through the fucking floor and immediately down $5 grand. I was like, what the fuck just happened? I mean, dude, that was the quickest I've ever seen $5 grand disappear.
Yeah.
I've never seen that. I mean, that first candle right at open. I just sat there in the dentist office like, what the fuck was that?
Jesus Christ! You blew 150K account on that?
Yeah. Oh. They were like, do you need any extra numbing stuff before you do this? I said, no, I'm already in so much pain. Go ahead and fucking rip the tooth out.
Oh my god! No, that was crazy. That open was pretty wild.
I mean, it had me floored. I didn't know what the fuck happened.
Yeah, so I blew that PA on Sunday night, and then I bought an eval in the morning, and I was like, all right, we'll just revenge this, and tried buying the dip, liquidated. Okay, bought the dip again, liquidated. Okay, so I bought 3 more, and the third one I passed on gold, going long. Eventually I got my money out of it, but and then the other PA, I was like, well, this isn't, I don't really need to mess with this. Jesus Christ. That was rough, man.
That was, I don't know what that was.
That was, yeah. And then look at it, back to 4,400. Why not?
Yeah, like,
go back.
What are we doing here?
What happened was there was a large bank that was a big ass short position on silver. And Sunday, CME Group raised the margin rate on gold and silver and copper, palladium, and they got margin called, and they missed the margin call and got liquidated of their entire position on silver. And apparently it was huge, like a huge short position.
They should have drove silver up.
No, liquidated it. It caused it to, I mean, basically just plummet, just free fall. It fell like 12% from the high. So that took gold with it, because I was like, man, that thing is moving. And then yeah, yesterday it opened. I thought, maybe it would find some kind of support. Nope, straight down.
That doesn't make sense though, because if they got liquidated, that means they would have to cover all those short positions, which means they have to buy silver at whatever price it is.
Yeah, but they couldn't buy it. They missed the margin call.
I know, but whoever would have taken the stuff from them to get their assets back, they would have started buying whatever.
I don't know. I mean,
kind of shit works like it's supposed to.
Yeah, I mean, for us, our rules are different than theirs, probably. That's what I would assume. Yeah, that's what caused it.
I'm glad to know there was a fucking reason for it, and it wasn't just a random 100-point drop in gold out of nowhere.
Yeah, nah, that was pretty wild. It was a 240-point move in gold from top to bottom. Yeah, freaking nuts.
I mean, I was looking at it. I was like, yes, it looks like a bear flag, but it bounced off that 4-hour trend line. I was like, that thing's got to have some support there. I would assume. It did. It bounced off of it pretty good. So I mean, I was, like I said, I was up $500 on 2 contracts, no problem. Which I mean, I know isn't a lot points wise. If you're, but it looked strong. And open happened, and it was not.
It was
a bear
not.
flag. It was a bear flag.
Yeah. No, that was insane. That was pretty crazy.
But you're still trading the Lucid account, right?
Yeah.
That's the one that has the better deal than the Tradeifys?